How to draw scissors. Easy step-by-step guide. In today's video, we'll learn how to draw scissors. Drawing scissors is very easy, and we'll do it in a simple step-by-step way. Materials need steps to draw scissors. 1. Draw the upper part of the scissors. Start by drawing two long blades that cross each other in an X shape. These blades form the upper cutting part of the scissors. Draw each blade as a long thin shape with a slightly pointed tip. 2. Draw the lower part, handles. Next, draw two loops at the ends of the blades. These are the handles where you hold the scissors. Make the loops oval or round in shape so fingers can fit inside. Connect the loops to the blades with short straight lines. 3. Add details. Draw a small circle in the center where the blades cross. This represents the screw that holds the scissors together. Add any extra lines to show the edges of the blades.